There was no word for who I was. I had to learn on my own. There were no computers or cell phones. We were little islands. And I started working as a professional, paid, in 1982. So about 42, 43 years I've been working. But the interesting thing is, the majority of that time I was considered unmarketable. They told me that. I wasn't boy enough. I was a drag queen, stay in the bars. You're not woman enough. So it's fascinating to be in this room where people are actually putting language and talking about it, and it's a little overwhelming, to be quite honest.
Y'all will take 30 to 45 seconds and just introduce your name and pronouns in a little circle with your alto. Sopranos, raise your hand. Sopranos form a circle. Altos, raise your hand. Altos form a circle. Tenors and tenors actually. Four basses. Tenors circle, basses. I'll come sing with y'all. Introduce your name and pronouns. Go.
She, her. Amazing.
One of the most common things I get asked from choir directors all over the nation is somebody came out to me as trans and I really want to support them, but I don't know what to do. So the very first thing is when you have somebody that comes up to you and says, hey, Miss Stapleton, I just want you to know I use this name or I go by these pronouns. I just want you to know that the very first thing you can do is just say, thank you so much for telling me. I so appreciate that. That must not have been easy to tell me. Can you give me a little bit more information? Can you tell me a little bit more about yourself? Privately and respectfully gather a little bit more information from them.
No one should ever have to doubt their place in the industry or in the world because of their gender. And so whether it's a new story or a re-examination of an old story or simply inclusion of trans people in your Golden Age musical with no other reason than it reflects the society we live in now, representation is so important. It normalizes these identities and experiences and shows everyone, but especially kids, that there's a place for them on stage and therefore in the world. And as we saw now more than ever, it is so important. And there's so much negative media around transness right now, and negative legislation. And yeah, all I have to say to that is, don't rain on our parade.
Isn't it grand? Isn't it great? Isn't it swell? Isn't it fun? Isn't it? But nothing stays. In 50 years or so, it's gotta change, But oh, it's heaven nowadays. Thank you.